Hello friends, and welcome to my channel DadaToys. As you may already know, this is mainly a surprise eggs YouTube channel. I also open blind bags and play with Play-Doh, but most of my videos are about surprise eggs. Now, this channel being about surprise eggs, I decided to make a video and show you the difference between Kinder Surprise egg, which is the best quality that you can find. It contains one of the best, if not the best, toys, and compare it with the cheap surprise eggs and show you the differences. My recommendation is to never buy the cheap surprise eggs. Always go for the premium ones, for the more expensive ones. Now, price wise, you will get 3 of the cheap ones for the price of 1 Kinder Surprise eggs, surprise egg. But you will see, if I am right, the 3 toys that you will find in these 3 eggs will be nothing compared to the one that you will find in the Kinder Surprise eggs. Let me start with differences. Now, when you open a Kinder Surprise, you can just squish it here so that the chocolate will separate very nicely, and you can access the toy without having to unwrap the chocolate. This is for the moments when you want to give your child only the toy and you don't want him or her to eat the chocolate also. So you can just open the egg like this. You just squish it a little bit and you can access the plastic holder for the toy. And the chocolate is protected by the aluminum foil, so you can put it in your purse or in your bag, and you can eat it later, or you can give it to your child later. This is a very nice feature for the Kinder Surprise egg, something that you won't find in similar eggs. This is because, you see, they don't have the aluminum foil in 2 pieces. The cheap surprise egg has the foil wrapped all around, and there's no way you can squish it and access the toy. You have to unwrap it by yes, you have to take the aluminum foil down, and it's also very hard to squish it like this and access, because the chocolate will break in little pieces and it's a mess. Then, after you solve the chocolate problem, you move on to the toy. Now, let's check the Kinder Surprise egg toy first, and then we will check the 3 others. Usually, with the Kinder egg, you get a very nice toy, and most times the toy is as big as the plastic shell. Sometimes it's very hard to put the toy back inside the plastic container, the toy being so big, and this is an advantage because you get a very nice, colorful and well-looking toy, something that can be in your child's collection for a very long time, and he can really play with it. I will open this without knowing what's inside to see what kind of toy we get. So this time is not one toy, but there are 2 little ones, a lion and its cub, its baby. So you see, the quality of the plastic is excellent, the colors, the feel of it is very you won't get little pieces that can choke your little one or stuff like that, and you have a nice toy that you can play, your child can play with. Let's see the Oh look, you even get a piece of natural habitat for the lion. You see? Let's also see the little piece of paper. Here you see the name of the animal and what his diet is made of, his height and weight, and you also see the geographical area where this animal lives. On the back you can see the entire cartoons collection from Kinder, knowing what surprises you will find opening more eggs. Also, a nice thing with Kinder is they have such a big diversity in toys that you almost never find the same toy twice. I opened hundreds of eggs and only have some doubles. You can get more doubles when you have a limited edition of Kinder eggs, like the Minions. Then you might get the same Minion in more eggs. But with a limited collection also comes a very nice toy, and you see this Minion, for example, you can turn the base and his kind of smiling changes, and this is a very new toy that your kid can really appreciate. Now let's move on and open one of the cheap surprise eggs and compare the two toys and what we find inside. Now, from the beginning, what I see is a lot of pieces inside the toy. This means that this could get lost, your child could swallow the little pieces, or he or she will never had the toy collection in order. They will be always broken like this and not put together. We need to look at the instructions to see how we mount that. Also, the design of the toy inside is not as good as with Kinder. Okay, let's do the build. Also, look, for a little child, a 4 years old, this is not an easy build. You have to put the rubber over the plastic, get it over this here, that has to be in that hole. You have two different wings and you have to very carefully put it all together. This will mean that your child might not be able to build it himself, so he will ask for your help, and you might have a struggle with it also. Okay, so this is the animal that we built. Let me check if there is also a sticker or something. No, there isn't any. So this is the toy. Now compare this toy with the Kinder one and see the differences. Also, by just touching them you can feel the plastic. This one is cheaper than the Kinder one. And look, this lion, his hair is like a rubber surface, so it's a nice thing that you have two kinds of surfaces glued together in the same toy. Whilst the not so expensive surprise egg comes with a very simple plastic toy that you have to also put together. So yes, you can move its head, and the tail will move as well. So this is a nice feature, but that doesn't change the fact that the plastic is not so good quality. Regarding the chocolate, in the Kinder Surprise you have a mix of regular and white chocolate. In the chip eggs you have just regular chocolate. Also, if you have a problem with acid, the chip chocolate will give you will have to take anti-acid meds more often because of the chip chocolate. Then you will have to do that because of the chocolate found in the Kinder Surprise eggs. I think I covered all the points that I wanted to cover, so I'll just move on and open the 2 remaining eggs so that you can see the 2 other toys that we find inside. Last I try splitting the chocolate again without making a mess, but this time I think almost. I still made some crumbs there. Let's check out the toy. Another toy that we have to build, big mouth animals. So I think we have a dog. It looks like one. I think it's a dog. And again, a lot of small plastic pieces that we have to put together like a puzzle. Some of you may love that. So this is how we build it. You put the head there, the wheels there, and okay. I hope I got it. I'm not sure, I'm not convinced, but I will give it a try. Okay, and the base. Okay, the back wheels, I think they come here, they go here, no? And then, let me see. So you have to bolt, okay. It must be that the wheels go down here. But I don't know if I'm able to, something like that. And then you have to put this piece over the other one without breaking the whole assembly. Oh. Okay, I got it. So again, not a lot of details on the toy. With this one you can also hear the sound of the cheap plastic. If you have a kid playing with this one, will break it very fast. And the wheel is not really spinning, so it has no purpose being there. Let's try maybe. Yes, by if you move the whole toy, the dog will move his jaw like barking, and this is accessed by the wheel down there. You see how similar the colors are in the two toys? So not even the color range is that big in the cheap toys, whilst on the Kinder Surprise eggs you have full color toys. They really don't have a problem with the color scheme that they can use. So let's move on and also open the third surprise egg that is less expensive than the Kinder Surprise egg, and the difference is not so big. I mean, I said that you can buy 3, but maybe you can buy only 2 and something, so that's why I round it up to 3, but depending on the prices you might only get 2 less expensive eggs for the price of a Kinder. Let's see if we also get a yellow and green toy inside this one as well. So look how the chocolate sticks to the egg. This will never happen with the Kinder Surprise egg. This one you have to clean it before giving it to your child, otherwise he will have chocolate all over his hands and toy and clothes. Okay, again lots of plastic pieces that we will have to put together. Okay, this looks more promising, and also the color palette changed, so we have flower and castle. Okay, this is the build up. It requires 3 steps for a complete build up. Okay, let's do it. So it seems that first I need to take this plastic piece and this one, put them together. Okay. Yes, okay, that worked. What now? Put the B on top. Okay. I'll take the B and put it on top of the transparent stick. Yeah. I'm having some difficulties here. Okay, and now it's facing backwards, so I have to take it down and put it on again like this. Okay, and then put the plastic ensemble on top of the flower with the bee facing that way. Okay, something like this. Yes, and then close the flower. Oh, okay, so here you have it. If you press the button on the pedal on the back, the bee will jump up and down on the flower. And again, if you look at the bee, there are no kind of details on it. No colors, no eyes, no nothing. Just a piece of cheap plastic with some embossed details, but nothing colorful. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel DadaToys yet, please go on and subscribe if you liked my video, if you found it useful in any way, And please answer my question in the comment section and tell us all if you would ever exchange a Kinder Surprise toy for free surprise toys from the cheap surprise eggs, and tell us which one would you want your child to get, the free surprise toys from the cheap eggs or only one surprise toy from the Kinder Surprise eggs. Thanks for watching. Bye.